Good morning, class 8. Once again, we are here in our online class of computer science. I am John Yakub, your computer science teacher. Dear students, we are in our chapter number 1, Fundamentals of Computer. And today we are teach about the role of computer in our society and in our daily lives. So, what roles computer play in our society and in our lives? So, computer plays an important role in modern society, and it has changed it in many ways. So, computer has changed our ways. Computer have changed our minds. Computer have changed our time limits in our work. So, it is the best invention ever made in the history of modern technology. In the modern technology, computer is innovation. Computer innovation is the biggest profit of human being, because computer work fast, computer work easily, computer efforts hard we can use on computer. So dear students, it has brought advertisement in various fields of life. Computer brought advertisement in various fields of life. So today we discuss our second and first topic, use of computer in various fields, just like education, business, or media, or manufacturing and defenses. So today we talk all about this. So today our first point is education. What role computer plays in education? In education, role of computer in education has been given a lot of importance in the recent year. In the recent year, computer plays a biggest role in education department to learning the best education on computer, online classes. Just like as today we can see, we can learn on computer, we can teach on computer, and we can educate ourselves with computer system. So this is the biggest role of computer in education. So dear student, role of computer in education has been given a lot of importance in the recent year. Computer technology is the process of learning. Many programs are available for students to learn the subject of physics, mathematics, chemistry, biology, etc. Multimedia software make the process of learning interactive and interesting. It combines the text, graphics, sound, and video for effective learning. Internet has enormous information on a wide variety of subjects. So today we can learn on internet every subject. You can, dear students, you can learn every subject on internet on your computer, and you can teach many things of your life, about your studies, about your education from computer system. So the computer take a big role in our educations, in our society, in our studies. So our next point is our business. So computer is used in business fields, just like you can say when you are go to banks. So you see the banker, the cashier give you a cash, but he can save your name, he can save your check number, he can check your account balance, and then he can give you money. So that all process is he can check from computer. So computer is related to business. You can check when you are going to ATM after 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock when bank is off. So when you go to ATM, so you can see the ATM machine is working with a computer system, because ATM machine is a microprocessor. So everything which has a microprocessor is a computer system. So dear students, so in business, computer is used in much fields in business, just like industries, just like in education, just like in banks, and many more companies are used computer system to improve his business skill. So our third topic is defenses. Defenses is our security system which we can secure ourselves. So today we can see many offices, many Police offices, army offices take cameras to secure his area, to secure his society, to secure his country, to secure his city. So these all cameras, these all CCTV cameras are attached with computer. So defenses are also used a computer system to secure his country, to secure his cities. So our other topic is, our other point is a media. What is a media? So media is a electronic electronic talking or electronic sounds, electronic songs. This is called a media, just like a social media. We are using Facebook, WhatsApp. These are called a social media. YouTube is also a social media. So these are medias which we can use in our daily life. So computer has a big role in multimedia or media. We can print media, we can communicate with each other. So this is called media. Just like we send an email to someone to talk with him, we can send a message from mobile phone. Mobile phone is also a mini computer. So we can talk someone on mobile phone or messaging or SMS or everything. So these are technology which we use today in multimedia devices. So today you can learn a song, today you can listen a song on your mobile, today you can learn studies on your phone. These all things are called a multimedia. So computer is playing important role in media in our society. So our last topic is manufacturing. Manufacturing means something we can make, something we can develop, something we can start. This is called manufacturing. Just like nowadays computer technology is widely used in a manufacturing industry. It has improved accuracy, quality and speed of manufacturing. Computer are used for product design and automation of manufacturing process in our factories. This is known as a computer aided design, CAD. We can call CAD which companies, which industries are used computer to manufacture his product. We can say her CAD, computer aided designs and computer aided manufacturing. We can today you can see many Panaflex are developed. Many Panaflex are designed on computer. Our visiting card are designed on computer. These all are called a manufacturing. So dear student, this is the role of computer in our society, in our daily lives, and in our homes. We can use computer in our homes for our daily life, for media, for a business and for education. Today you are educate on yourself on computer, and this is called role of computer in our lives. And our next topic is careers in information technology. So dear students, I will send you a question answers on your WhatsApp group. You can do your work and send me a picture of your copies, need copies, and I will check it again. So that's our topic, and our next topic is career information. We can teach is on Saturday, and on Saturday we can teach. तो Saturday तक हम आपसे इजाज़त चाहेंगे. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़. गॉड ब्लेस.